Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Just finished removing the coils and spark plugs out and finished cleaning the intake ports. If you can look in there, have a look inside there. Look at the actual oil. Look at the carbon. That's the carbon that came out from the ports after I cleaned it. On the floor there, it's all the carbon that came out from the spark plug hole right there. So what we're going to do now, we're going to clean everything here. Clean the spark plug holes and then put the spark plug back on. This one here looks pretty good. The spark plugs, they don't look that bad. As you can see, let's have a look at the ports. This is bank 1. See inside the ports, nice and clean. I can only do so much. I can't get to the bottom part. It's really hard to clean the bottom parts. That's the other side here. There's a big difference than before. If you can see, it's nice and cleaner than before. See? Alright, so that's all better than much better than before. I'll probably do one more time, and then I'll start installing the intake manifold here. It's all ready. So I've got a new purge solenoid there. That one there is for your fuel tank breather. Got a brand new one. That one there is open circuit already. It doesn't even click when I put power to it. So you can, that's old. That's the same one from factory. So if you take the intake manifold out on 996, just get a new one of these. And there's the part number there for it. Purge solenoid. Alright. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.